Hey everybody, and welcome to fifth grade full band for this week, part one. We are happy to see you this week. All the teachers miss you. We hope you are all doing wonderfully at home, and you're resting and able to keep up with all your schoolwork and relaxed, not stressed out. So hoping that this full band will help you get back on your instrument again. Make sure you're playing a little bit every day. Don't wait until Friday to do your music, because then your muscles will get loosey-goosey and not stay strong like we had them in our normal school days. Okay, so please practice a little bit each day. If you didn't see my announcements, make sure you check my announcements above this video. It's super important you watch it. I'm going to be checking who watches and who does not, so please take a grade on watching my announcements so you know what's happening in my class. Thanks, everybody. Okay, let's warm up with a little breathing. Everybody, we're going to breathe in for 4, hold it, out for 4, hold it. 5, 6, ready, and in. Hold, and out. Hold, and in. Hold, and out. Hold, and stop. Good. Let's try in for 4, out for 4, and we're going to hiss out. 5, 6, ready, and nice job. Okay, I hope that kind of loosened us up a little bit, relax us a little. We're going to do our metronome now, and I want us to play our concert B-flat scale on whole notes. That's your C-scale trumpets, your B-flat scale flutes, your G-scale saxophones, and your B-flat scale trombones, B-flat scale xylophones. We're going to hold out whole notes, and I want to play just the first 5 notes going up and then back down. Here we go. A little bit faster. 1, 2, ready? Nice. Okay. Short little warm up for you. Now we're going to go right into the book. This is 129. We've already done this one. I just wanted to warm up with it a little bit to get our faces ready for our day. So let's go ahead and play it with folk pop on no melody, and we'll play it together. Here we go. We already did this homework, so you guys should know this. Here's one time through. Ready? Yeah, that's a tricky one. Let's do it one more time slow this time. From the beginning, watch out for the ending and all your accidental sharps and that sort of thing. Remember, this is the trumpet part today. If you need to get your book, grab your book. If you're a flute player, saxo, or trombone player, or xylophone, here we go. Slower. At the end, I got a little fuzzy there. Nice. That's such a beautiful song. Okay, let's go ahead. We're going to go to now 131. I skip a lot. Now we're in Kumbaya. You guys know this is an African song, but it has the name of your town for many of you down in Kumbaya. So we're going to play this. This is in 2/4 time, and we have B flat for trumpets. Check your key signature, everyone. and I will play the A line. Let's all try the A line. Here we go. We'll keep it on slow. Ready? That's a cute little song. Sorry, I think I covered up the A line with my square here. Hopefully you could see it. If not, hopefully you had your book trumpets. Okay, so that is the Kumbaya song. We can learn the other parts. Let's go ahead and look at those. The B line and the C line, they're very similar, but they are the harmony. Here's the B line. You can see that. Here we go. Nice. All right. And now here's the C line. I challenge anyone to record all three parts in either the Acapella app or the Smule app and play all three together. That would be epic. I bet you could do that from your house. All right, here we go. Here's the C line. Yeah, that is like the easiest line because it's almost the same note over and over. So cool. Okay, awesome. Let's keep going. I'm gonna move ahead to 133. We already saw a YouTube video on this. This is the Storybots. More you get together, together, together. This time we're gonna do it in 3/4, like a waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So more we get together, together, together. Here we go. Let's try this one slowly. Let's sing it first, just in case. First note is C for trumpet. And the D high is first. Here we go. Singing 1, 2, 3. C, D, C, B, A, F, F, G, C, C, A, F, F, C, D, C, B, A, F, F, G, C, C, F. Okay, that's the trumpet part. I forgot. No letters. Let's all just sing it on your letters, and I will just sing it on da so that I don't confuse everybody. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. Okay, that is the waltz. I will play it one time slowly, and then we can try it with the track. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. cool, guys. Let's try this all together. Let's try it on normal speed. It might be pretty quick, but we will try it. Here we go. Here's the beginning of Austrian Waltz, or The More We Get Together. Nice job, everybody. Okay, so I hope you guys saw the repeat sign here. We should have gone all the way back to the beginning. And then also, let's see the accents. We have accents on the downbeat of 1 every time. So, da, 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 da. A little bit heavier note on beat 1. Okay, guys? Awesome. You guys are doing great. Okay, we're going to keep on going to 134. This is a funny Australian folk song, okay? And we are in 3/4. And it's kind of long, it's 2 lines, and it's allegro. We have some pickup notes here, and we are in concert B flat, trumpet C scale, so pretty easy notes. Let's go ahead and sing it one time. On da. You guys sing your letters. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Da 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 dia da. Da 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 da. Crescendo there. Da 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 do. Dia da 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 da. Okay, very beautiful melody from Australia. So nice. Okay, let's play it very slowly. I think we should play it with a metronome. Make sure we're in 3/4. It's a good tempo. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Very nice little melody from Australia. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Okay, and let's do it with the track one time. It's probably beautiful. This is a little bit faster, I'm sure. Here we go. 134. Ready, position. Whoa. Got a little fuzzy at the end. Okay, sorry about the screen getting cut off there. Oopsies. All right. Okay, guys. So this was video 1 of full band. I will have another video coming up next that will go over the homeworks, which will be good. So please tune in, check out my next video below, and my other video above with the announcements. Okay, thanks so much. Go get a quick snack, a little drink of water, take a quick break, and we'll see you back for the next video. Ciao, guys.